Let's clear something up. Job hopping used to be a red flag. Now it can be a sign that you're adapting to change, learning fast, and refusing to settle. Look, if you're switching roles every 12 to 24 months, but each move has intention, growth, and clarity, you're not a flake, you're evolving. That said, most hiring managers will notice it on your resume. But don't panic. Just be ready to explain it clearly without being defensive. Because here's the truth: being defensive is a red flag, 100% full stop. It tells the hiring manager that you're either not self aware or that you're still emotionally stuck in that last job of yours. I've spoken with countless hiring managers in many industries, and here is what they say. They don't mind if you have a few short stints on your resume if you have a good reason. What they do mind is someone who cannot explain any of the moves on their resume or blame it on a toxic work environment or a toxic boss. So, to break it down really quick, job hopping doesn't necessarily mean it's going to hurt your career, but job hopping without self awareness does. Job hopping without progression does. And job hopping and blaming everything on your previous employer definitely does. There is a difference between being intentional or impulsive, and recruiters can tell. Job hopping can be fine, but just don't hop so fast that your next interview looks at your resume and wonders if you're speed dating through the workforce. Have you switched jobs recently? Was it for growth, escape, better pay, better people, or just a peace of mind? Drop your story in the comments. I read them all, and you're probably not alone. And if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'm Jeremy Nichols, executive recruiter with Gecko Hospitality in the state of Florida. And until next time, see you at the next video.